everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Mini Militia. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Mini Militia app to get started. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Now, click on your profile icon at the top left hand corner of the screen and this will bring up your profile page. Your ID, username, status, and player stats will be displayed on this page. To change your name, click the pencil icon right next to your name and erase the name. Type in the new name you'd like to set for your account, and soon after you do that, you can now go back. As you can see that my name over here has been changed to something else. That is how you can easily change your name on Mini Militia quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.